What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Core 7 Fitness, and welcome back to day 10 of 10 of this 10-day Get Up and Get Active Fitness Challenge. I hope that's the right order I've been saying it in. First and foremost, congrats and great job on the consistency, but don't let it stop here. Make sure you continue to push your body, continue to challenge yourself, and continue to keep on rising. So day 10 is going to be another low-impact workout. I hope you guys have enjoyed this challenge, and I hope you maybe try it again, maybe try some of my other workouts as well. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get day 10 over and done with. Thank you to everybody that has participated in this challenge. Congrats on the consistency, and definitely I hope you subscribe to the channel. And hey, let me know how you felt about this challenge down in the comments. Let me know how you're feeling. Let me know anything that I can improve on, other challenges you'd like to see, things of that nature. Like I already said before, don't let this be your last time working out. Don't let this be the end all be all. Continue to work out, continue to push yourself, continue to try different challenges, try different workouts, and push your body to different levels. If you enjoyed this style of working out, I'm gonna link a playlist in the description and after this video to other workouts for beginners, for advanced dumbbell workouts, kettlebell workouts, everything. Again, thank you, and I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one.